Good morning, students. Today I am doing more exercise sums from the chapter parallelogram. Okay. See, in our previous class we are doing the sums still question number 8. Now I am doing the question number 10 from the exercise from the chapter parallelogram. Here it is given question number 10. The length of each side of a rhombus is 13 centimeter and the length of one diagonal is 10 centimeter. Find the length of other diagonal and the area of the rhombus. So you know that rhombus having the same length of the each side but different diagonal. Right? This one the diagonal. See A, B, C and D. Suppose this is O. So each side is same, that is given 13 centimeter and the one diagonal is given 10 centimeter. Okay. Now let this, you have to find the other one. First you know that the diagonal are perpendicular to each other. So if the whole length BD equals to 10 centimeter, therefore OD equals to 5 centimeter because it is divided at a half of the BD. Okay. Now let OC equals to 8 centimeter. Okay. Now therefore according to the Pythagoras theorem, CD square equals to OC square plus OD square. CD square is what? CD square is given, that means if this is also 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter square. OC means 8 square plus OD means 5 square. Okay. So 8 square equals to 13 square means 169 and this 5 square means 5 5s are 25. This is going, the side will be changed and minus 25. So 8 square equals to 144 or h equals to root over 144 means 12 centimeter. Therefore diagonal of the rhombus is 12 into 2, that means 24 centimeter, because you know that we are taking this OC equals to H. OC equals to H. So AC will be what? 12 into 2, that means 24 centimeter. Now the second part, area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus equals to half into product of two diagonal, right? So half into product of two, one diagonal length is 10 and another one is 24. So 5 into 24 is equals to 120 centimeter square. This is your required answer. Now see the question number 12. Question number 12 is given that a man crosses a distance of 96 meter while going around a rectangular field of length 18 meter twice. Find the breadth of the field and what will be the cost of fencing the field at the rate of rupees 1.50 per meter. First, the length of the rectangular field is given, that is 18 meter. Okay. So taking breadth be what? Breadth will be B. Let breadth of the rectangular field or rectangular field B. Okay. Now see, it is given that the man crosses a distance of 96 meter while this with length is given what? Rectangular length is given 18 meter. When he rounded this field 2 times, it will be crossing the distance 96 meter. That means the perimeter of the field equals to 96 divided by 2, that means 48 meter. Okay. Now, you know that the formula is 2 into length plus breadth equals to perimeter. Perimeter is 48 meter is given. So, length is what? Length is given 18 plus B equals to 48. So, 18 plus B equals to 48 divided by 2. That means 24. So, B equals to 24 minus 18 or B equals to 6 meter. That means breadth of the rectangular field is 6 meter. Now, the cost of the field. So, cost of the field is perimeter is at 48. So, 1 meter is cost is 1.50. So, this is rupees, multiply 48 into 1.50, you get 72. This is your required answer. Now, see the question number 14. Question number 14. It is given that the length and breadth of a rectangular park are in the ratio 3:2 and its perimeter is 160 meter. Find the area of the park. Let the length be 3x and breadth be 2x because ratio is given, right? Now see, the perimeter is given 160. That means you know that formula, length plus breadth equals to perimeter according to the problem, right? Now find the x. 5x equals to 160 divided by 2, that means 80, or 5x equals to 80, or x equals to 80 divided by 5. That means equals to what? 16. X equals to 16. Unit should be meter because perimeter is 160 meter is given. Now, you find the x. Therefore, length is what? Length equals to 3 into 16. That means 48 meter. Breadth equals to 2 into 16. That means 32 meter. Therefore, area will be what? Length into breadth. That means 48 into 32 meter square, which is equals to, if you multiply, you get 1536 meter square. This is your required answer. Now, see the question number 19. Question number 19. There is a path of width 1.5 meter all around outside of a plot 30 meter into 20 meter. What is the perimeter of the plot with the path? in this manner. Okay. So this is given 1.5 meter and the rectangle, this is the path width, and the rectangle is given 30 meter and this side is 20 meter. So perimeter, first length of the plot with path is what? 30 meter plus this side is 1.5, this side is 1.5, 1.5 plus 1.5 meter, that means 3, 1.5 means 3, 30 plus 3, 33 meter. Breadth of the plot with path in similar manner, 20 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 equals to 23 meter. Therefore, you have to find the perimeter of the plot. Formula is perimeter with what? Perimeter of the plot with the path equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length is 33 and breadth is 23 meter. So 2 into 33 plus 23 equals to 56, which is equals to 112 meter. This is your required answer. Now students, you have to complete the exercise. Complete the exercise by yourself in the exercise copy. Thank you.